Hello everyone, welcome to Space Engine. In today's video, we are going to be checking out some of the coolest planets I found in this game. So first off, I found this system, which is a binary system between a brown dwarf star and a red dwarf star. And if any of you were wondering what a binary system is, it's basically when two stars orbit each other around the central point called the barycenter. As you can see here, this is the brown dwarf. A brown dwarf is a failed star, which basically means that this brown dwarf is able to undergo nuclear fusion, but it can only fuse some heavy versions of hydrogen, and it can't just fuse normal hydrogen like this star over here, the red dwarf. So that's why they call it a failed star. And it's basically in between a normal gas giant and a star. Moving out into the system, we actually have a habitable planet. So this planet, it has life, but it's all airier, whatever you call it. Which means that all of the life on this planet is in the sky and stuff. It's like birds and stuff who live on this planet. And you can see the brown dwarf from this planet. You can see it circle the star. Oh, also, I just realized something. This planet's tidally locked, which means that this planet always has one side facing its star, as you can see. So it has no day-night cycle. If you were keeping an eye out, you may have noticed the Andromeda Galaxy over here. Yeah, look at the Andromeda Galaxy. Basically, we're right in a dwarf galaxy. I think it's called M205 or something like that. And it has a super good view of the Andromeda Galaxy. So moving out through the star system, it has another Jupiter-sized planet with rings. No major moons though. And the last planet orbiting these two stars is this little dwarf planet. Which I guess dwarf planets are still planets, I mean, dwarf planets have the word planet in their name. So I would say they're still planets. But anyways, over here, still orbiting the main two stars, it's another pair of two red dwarfs, which are the smallest type of star. And that's it. Oh, actually, there's two more planets that are orbiting super far away from the star. Bro. So this one kind of looks like Uranus. Actually, that's exactly what it is. It's very... Yeah, this is yes, frigid. Yeah, we'll call this a super Uranus. And finally, we have this little planet, which is like very icy and barren. It has 2 major moons. And that's it for this star system. As you can see, yeah, here's M110. I got that wrong. Oh, it's NGC 205 or M10. And here's the Andromeda. Moving on to the next star system, we have, let's see, a super Neptune moon. So as you can see here, this moon is a gas giant. So you have the main planet right here, which is a warm Jupiter that's 2.5 times the mass of Jupiter. And you have a small sub-Neptune moon that has 9 times the mass of Earth. Yeah, a pretty interesting moon. Pretty rare. Gas giant moons are super rare, actually. Like, very few moons in the universe are gas giants. So this system is a red giant, like Betelgeuse, and our sun will one day become a red giant. So this planet right here is so hot that's just being destroyed by the star. As you can see, a comet tail is coming off the back of the planet. Yeah, and the views from this planet would be crazy. Okay, look. That's what you would see. So moving outwards, another interesting planet is this warm super Neptune. This planet's super red. Like insanely red. Very cool. And as you can see, it has a ton of tiny moons orbiting it. It almost looks like a ring. Going further out, you have a cool Lastine subterra, and this planet has oceans. But do not be mistaken, these are not oceans of water, but they are oceans of SO2 and H2S. So sulfur, it looks like. Whoa, just crashed into that volcano. Yeah, this has a little volcanic island. And over here we have another volcano. And moving further out into the star system, you have this cool Neptune, which is like super cool, hence why it's called Cool Neptune. And it's this huge ring system orbiting it. And if any of you have played Subnautica 2 or seen videos of it, this is very similar to the planet from Subnautica 2 that you see in the sky. And its moon even has oceans of sulfur and methane. Yeah, so look at that. That's beautiful, man. Just look at that. Wow, this game is so pretty. Eclipse. Yeah, that's so cool. So, finally, at like the very edge of the star system, you have this planet, which also has oceans of like sulfur and methane. No, CO2. Oh, carbon dioxide oceans. That's how cold it is out here. Yeah, I'm 200 AU away from the star. Wow. Okay, guys. Let's do a third star system. Let's do this one. I called it Neutron something. Whoa. So as you can see, this planet is orbiting a neutron star. Right here. And around the neutron star, there's a red dwarf star. So from this planet, you could see two different types of star in the sky. And look at that. Beautiful. Now let's go to like the North Pole. Or the equator. Yeah, so from here you could see both the neutron star and the red dwarf at the same time. And the sky turns purple. So here's the neutron star. Yeah, it looks so good, man. Wow. As you can see, neutron stars spin super fast. That looks so cool. Oh. And around both the neutron star and the red dwarf is a yellow dwarf. Yeah, like our sun. And this has a couple planets, as you can see. Not very interesting planets, but we'll check a couple out. So here's a Neptune-like planet. It's 1/5 the size of Jupiter. Yeah, and that's basically it for the star system. And this episode. So everyone, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.